Most people compare Brigit and MoneyLion like they are the same type of app. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. These two apps may both offer cash advances, but they are built for very different financial needs. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison of Brigit versus MoneyLion, so you can decide which one actually fits your situation. Let's start with Brigit. Brigit is designed mainly for small cash advances and overdraft protection. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your income and spending, and offers short-term advances when you are about to run low on money. For example, Alex uses Brigit when he is a few days away from payday and needs a small buffer to avoid overdraft fees. It is simple, predictable, and focused on short-term stability. Now, let's talk about MoneyLion. MoneyLion is a more full financial platform. It offers cash advances, but also includes banking services, credit building tools, investing features, and loans in some cases. It is more like an all-in-one financial app. Jake uses MoneyLion because he wants not just cash advances, but also credit tracking and long-term financial tools in one place. Now here's where it gets interesting. Brigit is very focused. It does one main job: help you avoid overdrafts and handle small cash gaps. That makes it easy to understand and quick to use. MoneyLion is broader. It gives you more features, but also more complexity. You may get access to higher financial tools, but eligibility can vary more depending on your profile. But here's the problem. This is where most users get confused. They assume MoneyLion always gives higher cash advances than Brigit. That is not guaranteed. Both apps base your limit on income, bank activity, and financial behavior. Now, let's compare cash advance features. Brigit usually provides smaller, more consistent advances designed for short-term needs. It is built for stability and avoiding fees. MoneyLion may offer larger advances for eligible users, but approval depends heavily on your account activity and usage of their platform. In a minute, I'll break down which app is better for beginners. Let's talk about fees and structure. Brigit typically uses a subscription model for access to its features. It is straightforward and predictable. MoneyLion may have optional membership tiers and additional financial products. That means more flexibility, but also more decisions to make. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you want a simple app that just helps you avoid overdrafts and get small advances quickly, Brigit is easier to use and understand. If you want a full financial ecosystem with credit building and banking tools, MoneyLion offers more long-term value. So which one is better in 2026? There is no single winner. Brigit is better for simplicity and short-term cash protection. MoneyLion is better for users who want more advanced financial tools and growth options. The key takeaway is simple. Brigit is focused and minimal. MoneyLion is broad and feature-rich. Your choice depends on whether you want quick support or long-term financial tools. If this comparison helped you decide, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.